Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a BlockFi account so that you can earn interest on your crypto holdings. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm here on the BlockFi website. I'm going to show you how to get your account set up, how to get yourself logged in, get your identity verified so that you can get started. So BlockFi is committed to trust and transparency. Their services comply with comprehensive state and federal regulations, so you are going to need to provide your legal name and your personal identification information. It's not too difficult, and I'll walk you through it. Okay, we'll get things started by hitting Get Started. Fill in this information, choose a good password. Tick these guys off, and I encourage you to use my referral code when you're setting this up. Go through these CAPTCHAs, prove that you're human. We'll go ahead and hit submit here, and they're going to send us an email which we're going to need to verify. So just open up that email, click that link, and it'll take you back. Log yourself back in again, and you're going to need to set up your account type, individual or business, some country and zip code, address information, give them your phone number, and your date of birth. Tell them where your funds are coming from. I chose employment. We'll put in our SOCH number here. Go ahead and hit continue. And then we need to do this short verify the identity. Go ahead and get that started. Basically just confirm the phone number. They're going to send you a code. You'll need to enter that code. Verifies your phone. And then just check this personal information here. Make sure it's correct. You will need to re-enter your social security number here to verify. And then you'll hit continue. And you're done. All right, now we're ready to go ahead and earn some interest on our crypto. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to do this. I'm going to do a crypto deposit from my own Bitcoin wallet into this account. And then I'll also show you how to deposit some stablecoin using your bank account or ATM card. So let's get started. So I'll start with the crypto. Let's do deposit crypto. And I'm going to select Bitcoin here. And they give us a Bitcoin address. Now remember, you need to use Bitcoin here. Don't try to put Litecoin or Ethereum in this address. This is a Bitcoin address. If you have any of those other cryptos, you can choose those from the list. This is Bitcoin. So I'm going to copy that address into my clipboard, and then I'm going to go over to my Bitcoin-based wallet so that I can transfer Bitcoin into this account. Now I'm going to be using my Ledger Nano X. I have Bitcoin stored in my Ledger Nano X based wallet where I use this hardware device to manage the private keys. So I've done a lot of videos on the Ledger device. I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Ledger based wallet into your BlockFi account. So I'm going to get myself signed into my Ledger Live account. All right, you'll notice here that I have several different types of accounts. I'm going to focus on the Bitcoin account here. So we'll just go into our Bitcoin wallet. You can see I've got some Bitcoin in here, and I want to transfer it into my BlockFi account. So if you remember, I copied this address into my clipboard. I'm going to go back over here to Ledger Live. I'm going to do a send from my Bitcoin wallet. I'm going to paste in the address of my BlockFi account, and then I'll hit continue here. Now, how much am I going to send? I'll go ahead and send the max. I'll put it all in there. You can put as little or as much as you want. You can just type it. If you want to have a specific dollar amount, you can just type it in here like that. Pretty simple. Or you can just use the send max feature. All right, and then you'll notice too that I've got my device here and I'm at the home screen. All right, my device is connected to my computer and I've entered my PIN. I'm going to hit continue here. All right, there's an overview of my transaction. I'll hit continue again. All right, and then it's going to indicate that I need to open the Bitcoin app on my device. All I need to do is hit both buttons to do that. Now this is the security of the ledger device, right? I'm signing the transaction with my private key. So I'll review the output. I'll use the metal button to advance here. There's the amount I'm sending. There's the address I'm sending to, and then I'll just click accept. Now I'm also going to need to confirm the fees on the Bitcoin network. So I'll advance over here. Bitcoin fees are pretty low. Let's hit accept and send, and off it goes. Now if we want, we can view the details here and watch this on the Blockchain Explorer if we'd like to track it. So if we just click this view on Explorer, it's going to take us over to the page where we can track our transaction, right? It's unconfirmed at this point. We can also go over to our BlockFi account and just kind of wait for it to come in. All right, now I'm done sending the transaction out from Ledger Live. Now that I'm done, I can go ahead and disconnect my device. I don't need it anymore, right? The transaction has gone out. So all we do now is wait. All right, I just got an email alert from BlockFi telling me that my deposit is pending. All right, so that's an indicator that they've received the Bitcoin. It just needs to confirm on the blockchain before it's completely active, so it won't be long now. Oh, I just got another alert telling me that it's confirmed. All right, so that didn't take long at all. So now we've got confirmation that the Bitcoin has arrived in the account. Let's go back over here. Let's just refresh and see what they got here. All right, and there we go. So you can see that I've got the Bitcoin in an interest account, and it's going to be earning interest while I leave it in there. Pretty simple. Didn't take very long, and I can rest assured that my Bitcoin is safe and sound. They use Gemini for their crypto custody. It's stored in an offline cold wallet. So my funds are safe. All right, now let's put a little more in there, and this time I'll use US dollar. We'll go up to deposit again. And this time I'll select US dollar, and I can do ACH, wire. I'll go ahead and do ACH. It's pretty easy. We'll just link our bank account here. All right, they use this third party for linking bank accounts. Pretty easy. Yeah, it'll just have me sign into my bank account. Alrighty, and then they're just going to need a verification here. I'll use text. All right, I got a one-time code on my phone from my bank, so I'll just enter that. We'll hit submit here. All right, and there we go. All right, that's the checking account that I would like to link. I'll hit continue here. You may have more than one. I'll hit continue here. All right, I guess I'll select this. Okay. So how much do I want to put in here? We'll go ahead and put $300 in here. We won't go crazy today. Let's hit review and confirm. My minimum is 20, right? And my maximum is 5,000. So I'll go ahead and put in 300. Let's hit review and confirm. All right, there's today's date, the amount, the bank account. Let's go ahead and authorize. We'll hit confirm deposit. We'll hit done. So this one is going to take a bit longer, right? Like 3 to 5 business days. All right, so it's an easy way. The best thing to do is probably your crypto, right? As you can see, I've got a pending deposit here. And it's going to be treated as stablecoin, right? Once it hits the account. So there we go. So I showed you how to set up your account, get yourself signed up, verify your identity, make a deposit of crypto into your account, and then I also showed you how to transfer money into the account from your bank, and it will earn interest as stablecoin. So there's a lot of great other features that I'll cover in later videos. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.